everyone. So I'm back for the second half of my planting up my fruit trees that I've lost due to my neglect. These two here I ordered from Home Depot. So I ordered a lemon tree and an avocado tree. And I'm going to be putting those two in the ground as well. Alrighty, well this video is going to just show me putting these into the ground and my unboxing. This is my mail call for a lemon tree and avocado. Okay, for the lemon tree, they did send this information sheet, but for the avocado, I didn't get an information sheet. Let's get started putting this into the ground. I already got one hole dug, and I'm going to plant the avocado. Now, then I'm going to have to dig the next hole for the lemon. So I have my mango here. I'm going to put my avocado here. And then on this side, I'm going to move this container. I'm going to put this in the ground, but I'm putting it on the other side of the yard. And in this area right here, in between the mango here and my blood orange over here, I'm going to put the lemon right here. Okay, let's get this party started. Okay, as in my previous video when I was potting or planting up my soursop, I'm going to add a little bit of garden tone fertilizer. I'm going to add a little blood meal to the soil. Hey guys, I wanted to show you this. That's the seed for this avocado plant. So this isn't grafted, this is from seed. So I've added some water to the soil. Now I'm going to finish backfilling. Okay everyone, I have cleared out the second section where I'll be putting my lemon tree at, which will be between my blood orange, like I stated, and my mango over here. And I had wood chips down, and you can see, look at the richness of the soil down here, guys. Oh, I'm loving it. That was the best tip ever. Now that I cleared the wood chips back, now it's time for me to dig the hole. Look, I even have some earthworms underneath. And that wasn't like that in my soil before. Okay, so I believe my hole is big enough for my next tree. But meantime, when my house was built, there was a prior structure on the land, and they ground up the concrete that was, I guess, part of the foundation back then. I literally just pulled all this concrete out of that hole about maybe 10, 12 inches down. That's ridiculous. And a host of small rocks. But look at the size of this concrete, everyone. Oh my goodness. And it all came out of that hole. I don't know why they did that. I guess that was a way of them disposing of it without taking it anywhere. And they was able to get away with grinding up the foundation or the concrete that was around the structure. But yeah, that's horrible. Okay, there you have it. The lemon tree is in. When I finish harvesting off the pomegranates, I'm going to put those into the ground right where that pot is. I'm going to put those there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.